Today I'm taking you inside ClickFunnels for a full, honest review based on my personal experience using the platform. I'll walk you through exactly what the service looks like, how it functions, and whether it's still a top choice for passive income strategies and digital marketing in 2025. When you first log into ClickFunnels, the dashboard presents a clean and somewhat intuitive interface. Everything is organized in sections: funnels, contacts, pages, automation, analytics, but the initial learning curve can be steep if you're not already familiar with funnel building logic. The pre-built funnel templates are useful and save time, especially if you're looking to launch quickly, but some of them feel dated and require heavy customization to look modern. Creating a funnel involves several steps, and while ClickFunnels does simplify the process, the interface can sometimes lag or feel clunky, especially when editing pages with the drag-and-drop builder. There are moments where settings aren't where you expect them to be, and the UI feels slightly overloaded with options that could be better grouped. On the plus side, the editor does allow for a lot of flexibility if you're willing to spend the time tweaking every element. ClickFunnels shines when it comes to integrating your funnel with email marketing, payment gateways, and webinar platforms. Setting up automated email sequences is straightforward, and the visual workflows make it easier to understand how contacts move through your funnel. However, email deliverability isn't always consistent, especially if you rely heavily on ClickFunnels' native SMTP service. Many users end up integrating external tools, like ActiveCampaign or MailChimp for better performance. The platform includes features like A/B testing, order bumps, upsells, and downsells, which are crucial for optimizing conversions. These tools are built in, and while they function well, they can sometimes take trial and error to implement correctly due to a lack of detailed guidance within the platform. ClickFunnels does have a help section, but the documentation is often outdated or too basic to solve more advanced issues. Pricing is one of the biggest drawbacks. The basic plan feels expensive for what you get, especially when you compare it to other tools that offer similar or better features at lower costs. The higher tier plans unlock more automation and access to FunnelFlix, which is ClickFunnels' training library, but the value here depends on how committed you are to the ecosystem. Many users eventually realize they are paying for a bloated system, where only a few features are actually used. Many useful links you can find in the description. Support is a mixed bag. Live chat is available, but response times can vary. There's a strong community around ClickFunnels, which helps, but it often feels like you're being pushed into buying more coaching programs rather than solving your technical issues. This upsell culture is part of the platform's DNA and can be frustrating if you're just trying to use the software effectively. ClickFunnels is still a viable platform for building sales funnels and generating passive income, but it's not without its flaws. It's best suited for users who are either just starting out and want a semi-guided approach or seasoned marketers who can work around its quirks. If you fall somewhere in between, you might find it frustrating or overpriced. Overall, it's a powerful but aging platform. It needs a UX refresh, more transparent pricing, and better documentation. Alternatives like System.io, Kartra, or even WordPress with plugins might be more cost-effective, depending on your needs. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more honest tech reviews, and let me know in the comments what tools you'd like me to review next.